This is a quick demonstration of feedback tools for the Great Science Share for Schools, which is a web application for creating and managing surveys. This was developed by Imago Software, the University of Manchester student software company. The original purpose of this web app was for collecting feedback from parents and teachers, however it could be easily repurposed for collecting other information too. I'll begin by logging into the admin system here, after which we will be taken to the home page where we can see an overview of the campaigns that have already been created. I'll begin by creating another campaign and I'll name it. And then we can customize the design of the campaign, so we can upload our own background and a logo for the campaign. And we can also change the color scheme. So if I wanted the titles to be green, I could do that. We can also add additional resources which can be accessed by people who complete the campaigns. So I'll just upload the same picture here for demonstration, and we can write our own custom thank you message. Now the campaign has been created. Here you can see the survey which we have just created, which can be accessed by clicking here. And this survey contains some default questions. Now these default questions can also be changed, and the questions of an individual survey can be customized too. I will quickly fill this in and skip to the end of the survey. Now I've finished filling in the questions, I can submit the survey. Once the survey has been completed, you are asked to share the survey in order to gain access to the exclusive content which we uploaded when we created the survey. You can share by pressing these buttons, and then you click here and you are given access to the exclusive content. Back on the admin panel, any admin can see a variety of statistics and resources which are generated for each campaign. These are accessed from the drop-down menu next to a campaign, so I can click View Details here, and this brings us to the statistics page for this campaign. So you can see, for example, that there has been one response to this campaign, and down here we can see advertising resources. So an example one of these is the leaderboard, which shows the various regions of people who have completed the campaign, which can be used for advertising, for example. Back on the home page, we have some more tools for managing campaigns. We can favourite individual campaigns to make them easier to find by clicking these buttons here, and these can be seen on the favourite campaigns page, so you can see that just this campaign that I've favourited is shown here and none of the other ones. We can also close campaigns to make them temporarily inaccessible by pressing here. And now you can see the link has disappeared and any links to this campaign will now be inactive. If we in the future decided that we wanted to make this campaign active again, we can quickly re-enable it here. Once the survey has been finished with, we can delete it as well simply by just pressing this button here. The results of all of your surveys are automatically backed up on a regular basis and can be easily downloaded by pressing the button at the bottom of the page. The backup of the results of an individual campaign can also be downloaded by pressing the download button on the campaign info page. That wraps up this quick demo of feedback tools for the Great Science Share for Schools.